roast chicken with Brussels sprouts. Ingredients: 1. 5 pounds whole roaster chicken, by weight. 2. Salt and pepper to taste. 3. 1 small bunch fresh oregano. 4. 1 small bunch fresh thyme. 5. 1 whole lemon. 6. 4 tablespoons butter, softened. 7. 1 tablespoon dried marjoram. 8. 1 tablespoon dried parsley. 9. 2 pounds frozen Brussels sprouts. 10. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 11. 1 package kitchen twine. Instructions: 1. Remove your roasting chicken from its packaging, and then remove any giblets from inside the cavity of the bird. Pat dry if necessary. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Season the inside of the chicken with salt and pepper, then stuff the bunches of oregano and thyme inside. Pierce the lemon with a knife several times and then also place it into the chicken. 3. To truss the chicken, you must first flip the bird onto its back with the legs facing away from you. Tuck the wings over and behind themselves so that they are pinned in place. 4. Hold the center of the twine beneath the ends of the drumsticks, and any excess skin around the cavity hole if long enough. Cross the twine and pull taut. If there is enough excess flesh around the hole, then the cavity may shut. If not, don't worry about it too much. 5. Pull the ends of the twine under the drumsticks and thighs and up towards the arms. 6. Tie the twine shut around the hole for the neck. 7. Massage about half of the softened butter all over the skin. 8. Season with lots of salt and pepper. 9. Flip the bird over so that its back is facing you. Massage the remaining butter into the skin, and then also season with lots of salt and pepper. 10. Roast at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. 11. Turn the heat down to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 40 minutes. 12. Remove the pan from the oven and then carefully flip the bird so that the breasts are facing up. 13. Use a brush to baste the bird with the juices from the pan. Add the marjoram and parsley to the bird. Then use the brush to add more juices over the top. I find it best to use a patting motion so that the parsley doesn't get clumped together in one spot. 14. Add the Brussels sprouts into the pan and mix with the juices. Brush the olive oil over the tops of the sprouts and then season well with salt and pepper. 15. Return to the oven and bake for another 40 minutes, or until the top of the bird is browned and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Tempt the bird by sticking a thermometer into the meaty part of the legs. Make sure you avoid hitting a bone to get an accurate reading. 16. Allow to rest for 15 minutes before serving. This makes a total of 8 servings of herbed roast chicken with Brussels sprouts. Each serving comes out to be 429.88 calories, 30.45 g fats, 5.1 g net carbs, and 32.95 g protein.